us when plans change or when life does not unfold according to our expectations. Islam teaches us that, while we should always strive to do our best, the final outcome belongs to Allah alone. Trusting His wisdom brings peace to the heart, because we know that He is the best planner. Even when we cannot understand the purpose behind a difficulty, we believe that Allah's knowledge is perfect, and His mercy is greater than our understanding. This trust allows believers to remain calm in situations that would otherwise fill them with anxiety or anger. A strong Muslim character is also reflected in the way a believer influences others. Our families, friends, neighbors, and colleagues observe our behavior far more than they listen to our words. If we claim to follow Islam but frequently lose our temper, speak harshly, or treat others unfairly, our actions may push people away from the beauty of our faith. On the other hand, when we respond to challenges with patience, kindness, honesty, and forgiveness, we become living examples of the teachings of Islam. Sometimes a single act of compassion can inspire another person to become closer to Allah. This is one of the greatest forms of dawah, not merely speaking about Islam, but demonstrating its beauty through our character. An unshakable Muslim character is built through consistent acts of worship. The 5 daily prayers remind us of Allah throughout the day and keep our hearts connected to Him. The recitation of the Qur'an fills the heart with wisdom and guidance. Dhikr softens the soul and calms the mind. Sincere dua strengthens hope and deepens reliance upon Allah. Fasting teaches self-discipline, while charity develops generosity and compassion. Every act of worship contributes to the development of a heart that remains firm during trials. As our relationship with Allah grows stronger, our dependence on worldly approval becomes weaker, and our ability to remain patient becomes greater. Ultimately, every believer must decide what kind of legacy they wish to leave behind. Wealth will eventually disappear, physical strength will fade, and worldly achievements will one day be forgotten. However, noble character continues to benefit others long after a person has left this world. People remember those who were kind, patient, forgiving, trustworthy, and compassionate. More importantly, Allah remembers every sincere effort made for His sake. The believer who builds an unshakable character based on faith, patience, mercy, humility, and trust in Allah will find success, not only in this temporary world, but also in the everlasting hereafter. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us among those whose hearts remain firm during every trial, whose tongues speak only what pleases Him, whose actions reflect the beautiful example of the Prophet Muhammad and whose character becomes a means of guidance, peace, and blessings for everyone around them. Ameen.